Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue writing our simulation program in Python. In the last video, we implemented the algorithm to draw the ramp. Our ramp is defined by two parameters, Rx and Ry. Rx defines how long the ramp extends horizontally and Ry how long the ramp extends vertically. According to Newton's third law, if an object is on the ramp will push back with the force equal with the component of the gravity perpendicular to the ramp. So if the ramp is horizontal, it will push with the force equal with the gravity and the ball won't move. Or if the ramp is vertical, since there is no vertical component of gravity on that ramp, there will be no force. So it is as if the ramp does not exist. If the ramp is slanted, like in this case, the normal force will have a component vertical that will fight with the gravity and the component horizontal, so which will make the ball to move on the horizontal direction. If one solves the geometry, then the components of the ramp force, and I will call them nx and then y, can be obtained with simple arithmetic operations. So we have nx, it's equal negative gy times rx divided by rx times rx plus ry times ry multiply with ry, and the ny is very similar. It's almost like nx, but the last term here will be rx. Now that we have all the forces that we need, we can integrate the second Newton law. So and this will apply as long as we are on the ramp. So we are on the ramp while y it's larger than the lowest position of the ramp, and that will be L minus R minus Ry times L. So as long as this condition is true, I will copy paste here the integration of the second principle. So I will copy it from here, move it here. It is the same laws. So I will remove the Newton tree. Okay, and the only difference is that instead of the force gx, it will be gx plus nx, and I will put them in parentheses. And instead of gy is gy plus ny. Okay, so let's say we have, I will remove the ramp, so I will just delete, I will take it out of the program. So I will say ramp dot clear. Okay, and the only thing, I have to put the ball at the top of the ramp. So x will be negative L plus R. Okay, so let's just run this program. So we are drawing the walls as expected, then the ball on the upper left corner. The ball slides down the ramp, accelerating, and then flies through the air. We remove the ramp, bounces on the floor, and there is no algorithm for the third Newton law here, so it goes through the wall. We'll have to do that in the next lesson. This ends the implementation of the sliding of the ball on the ramp. In the next video, we'll implement the Newton third principle for the other three walls. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.